Here I have OPPO F9 Pro. Let me show you how to use top tricks on the following device. So let's start with the first trick. Let me show you the Phone Manager, really powerful tool. Let's just find here and select Phone Manager right here, and here you can use the following Phone Manager. So here you can, for example, clean the junk files by tapping Clean Storage, and here you can, for example, use the cleaner if you would like to. You can also go back, and here you can, for example, perform the virus scan, so you can make sure that everything is alright on your device. As you can see, in my case, the scanning is almost complete. Alright, so my phone is in a good state, so everything is okay. Let's tap done, and this is this Phone Manager. So now let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the app split. So let's open the settings and scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose here app split screen. Let's just make sure that you've got this feature enabled, and now all you need to do is just use the three fingers and swipe up to split the screen. If you would like to unsplit, let's swipe up again with three fingers, and that's it. Alright, so now let's go for the third trick. Let me show you the screen of gestures. Let's open the settings. Here you need to find and select the smart and convenient. Choose here the gesture and motions and choose screen of gestures. Let's enable this feature, and as you can see here, you can, for example, double tap to turn screen on. You can draw O to start camera, and you can use other stuff. So for example, let me draw O to start camera. Let's lock the screen. Let's draw O, and the camera is activated. So it could be really useful. And let's tap OK. Let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the navigation keys. Let's go back, and here you can find under smart and convenient, you can find navigation keys. Here you've got the advanced settings of the navigation bar. You can use, for example, the following virtual key navigation. You can choose the layout. You can switch the position between those two keys, and you can also use swipe up gesture navigation. So here, for example, if you would like to go back, let's use the following swipe up, and you can go back. You can, for example, use the middle to swipe up to the home screen. That's it. But if you would like to go back and just use the virtual one, let's choose here virtual key navigation. Alright, that's it. Now let me show you the last trick, the night shield. Let's open here the settings, choose the display and brightness, and select night shield. So it could be really useful to turn on the night shield to reduce the blue light. Let's just use enable now if you would like to do it right now. And you can also use scheduled time. So here, for example, you can switch on automatically night shield every night from 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. for example. And you can also set up the night shield, so you can choose the color, temperature, and you can see the display effect right here. Alright, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.